Hello, my friend. Welcome to Global English Lab. This is your Easy English Practice podcast, where learning English is simple, clear, and stress-free. If you are listening right now, it means you want to improve your English. That is already a big step. Today's topic is very powerful. It can change how you learn English forever. The easiest way to learn English without a teacher. Yes, without a teacher, without a classroom, without pressure. Let me be honest with you. Many people want to learn English, but they feel stuck. They say, I don't have a teacher. I don't have money for courses. I am too old to learn English. My English is very bad. If you think like this, listen carefully. You do not need a teacher to learn English. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need to be fast. You need the right way. English is not a school subject. English is a skill, and skills are learned by practice, not by fear. Think about this. How did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar? Did you read books first? No. You listened. You repeated. You made mistakes. And slowly you learned. English is the same. The problem is, people try to learn English like math. This makes English hard and boring. In this podcast, we will change that. I will show you how to learn English alone, how to practice English every day, how to improve speaking without fear, how to use English in real life. All with easy words, slow English, clear meaning. This is not about learning many words in one day. This is about learning small things every day. 5 minutes a day is enough. 10 minutes a day is powerful. Consistency is more important than speed. This lesson has 4 connected parts. Part 1, Mindset and Truth about Learning English. Part 2, Daily Habits to Learn English Alone. Part 3, Simple Methods to Improve Speaking and Listening. Part 4, How to Stay Confident and Never Quit. If you follow all parts, you will feel different. You will feel more confident, less afraid of English, more motivated to practice. Remember this sentence. You don't need a teacher. You need courage and practice. This is Global English Lab. This is your safe place to learn English. Make mistakes. Learn slowly. Grow every day. And now let's go to part 2. Coming next, don't miss it. Welcome back to Global English Lab. This is your Easy English Practice podcast. In part 1, we learned an important truth. You do not need a teacher to learn English. You need the right habits. Now in part 2, we talk about daily habits. Simple habits, easy habits, habits you can do alone. Habits are powerful. Small habits every day change your English slowly but strongly. Listen to English every day. Listening is the first step. Before speaking, before writing, before grammar, you must listen. Listen to Easy English podcasts, simple YouTube videos, English songs, short English stories. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen. Your brain is learning sounds, pronunciation, and rhythm. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. Speak English alone. Yes, alone. Many people say, I don't have someone to practice with. That is okay. You can practice alone. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Talk about your day. Explain what you learned. Example. Today I woke up early. I studied English. I feel happy. Simple sentences are perfect. Speaking alone builds confidence. Learn words in context. Don't learn long word lists. Learn words in sentences. Bad way. Word your meaning. Good way. A word plus sentence. Example. I manage my time well. This helps you remember words faster. Read easy English. Reading helps you learn new words. See grammar naturally. Improve sentence structure. Read short articles, easy stories, subtitles in English. Read slowly. No pressure. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Repetition is the secret. Listen again. Read again. Say it again. This is how your brain learns. And don't study grammar too much. Grammar is important, but not at the beginning. First, listen and speak. Later, grammar. Children speak before grammar. You can too. Create an English routine. Same time, every day. Example. Morning, listen. Afternoon, read. Night, speak. Routine makes learning easy. Remember this. You don't learn English in one day. You learn English every day. In part 3, we will talk about how to improve speaking fast, how to think in English, how to stop translating in your head. And part 3 is coming next. Welcome back to Global English Lab. This is your Easy English Practice podcast. In part 1, we changed the way we think about English. In part 2, we built daily habits. Now, in part 3, we focus on speaking. This is what most learners want. And this is what most learners fear. Let me tell you something important. You don't need perfect English to speak English. What do you need? Confidence, not perfection. Stop translating in your head. Many learners think like this. First, native language. Then, English. This is slow and stressful. Instead, think in simple English. Example. Not, how do I say this correctly? Say, I will say it simply. Simple English is good English. Use short, simple sentences. Long sentences are hard. Short sentences are strong. Example. I like English. I am learning every day. I want to improve. Native speakers use simple English every day. Copy real English. Shadowing. Shadowing means listen and speak at the same time. Choose. A short podcast. A simple video. Play one sentence. Pause. Repeat. Copy. Pronunciation. Speed. Tone. This improves speaking fast. Speak before you are ready. Many people wait. I will speak when my English is good. This is a mistake. Speaking makes your English good. Speak with mistakes. Mistakes are teachers. Learn useful English, not perfect English. Learn English you can use today. Example. I don't understand. Can you repeat? Please speak slowly. This English gives you power. Practice thinking in English. Small practice. When you walk, think, I am walking. The weather is hot. I feel tired. No translation. Only English. Record your voice. This is very powerful. Record yourself speaking English. Listen again. You will hear your progress, your mistakes. This builds confidence. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every fluent speaker made mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Perfect English is not real. Clear English is real. Remember this sentence. You speak more. Think less. In part 4, last part, we will talk about how to stay motivated, how to never give up, how to make English part of your life. What part 4 is coming next? Welcome back to Global English Lab. This is your Easy English Practice podcast. This is the final part of this lesson. In part 1, we changed our mindset. In part 2, we built daily habits. In part 3, we improved speaking. Now in part 4, we talk about the most important thing. How to continue and never stop learning English. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel tired. This is normal. Do not wait for motivation. Create a routine. Even 5 minutes is enough. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Make English part of your life. Don't make English a school subject. Make it part of your daily life. Example. Change your phone language to English. Think in English while walking. Talk to yourself in English. Listen to English before sleep. English becomes natural. Measure progress the right way. Don't ask, am I fluent? Ask, do I understand more? Can I speak more easily? Am I less afraid? Small progress is real progress. Stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Your journey is your journey. Compare yourself to yesterday, not to other people. Confidence is a skill. Confidence grows with action. Speak even when you feel shy. Use simple words. Smile. People understand clear English, not perfect English. Never quit, just slow down. If you feel tired, don't quit. Slow down. Learning English is a long journey. Stopping breaks progress. Small steps keep you moving. A final message. Let me say this clearly. You can learn English without a teacher. You can improve every day. You can speak English with confidence. You don't need perfect grammar. You need practice. This is Global English Lab. This is your Easy English Practice podcast. Thank you for listening until the end. Keep practicing. Keep believing. See you in the next lesson. Until then, speak English. Live English.